Alright, Daddy's in the kitchen. There goes Nemo. But he's not sure. Yeah, he's forgiven you. Dad kicked him a second ago by accident. He went to get cereal. Here comes Big Bird. He's probably going to take the route under the coffee table for some reason. Watch, they're going to have a veer off. Maybe not. Maybe not. Usually he likes to walk under the coffee table. There goes Big Bird. He may veer off and come towards me. He likes to attack me. No. Nope, there's a reflection in a garbage can. That's interesting. We need to stop there these days. Check ourselves out. This is a new favorite spot to look at. Are you done? Are you carrying on, or is that it? Yeah, Dad's feet are scary. They kick.